believe anyone can drink your way to better health. Having homemade nutritionally dense soups is one of the best ways to transition to a better eating lifestyle because it saturates the body with lots of vitamins, minerals and enzymes in a way that is totally easy to absorb. 3 years ago, my 2-year-old son had bronchitis, which could turn into asthma, which means a life dependent on drugs. He had to take painful puffs of medicine, and which spells poison for me because he can only take in limited dosage. My husband and I were always feeling tired and stressed. I didn't want our lives to be compromised by poor health. I knew I had to find a solution that is natural and sustainable to prevent my boy's bronchitis from ever returning. I learned to reverse our family's health using Chinese herbal soups that are tasty and nutritious. These curations are a result of my parents' 50 years of experience in the herbs business and my own over 2,000 hours of brewing soups. As a result, I felt like we have been given a new lease of life. My son Wang Zi is now able, empowered to pursue his dream and passion. Now, I share my family's life work with audiences worldwide, empowering individuals like you with families like yours to improve the quality of your health. I can think of nothing I would rather do than to gift to you. I'm Queena Kok, herbal soup connoisseur, wellness advocate, mother of two. I so look forward to sharing my family's life work with you. A life's work to empower you to nourish your body and soul, enhance your immunity, and lay a strong foundation to pursue your dreams. Thank you.